안녕하세요. This is Dadepo Beach at night. Quite beautiful, is it? Isn't it? I live right in front of this place. Anyway, today we are going to study, consonant, whether this is g or k. This is what we call k, t, p, ch. There are two levels in Korean consonant. This is g and k. This is not important, whether it's lenis or aspirated. Anyway, this is what we call g and k. And this is a weak consonant. This is a strong consonant. So the is weak and strong is t. B weak and p strong. So j weak and ch strong. Later you will study the s, the real s, stronger s. So anyway, this g is like the b, s, j. This k, t, p, ch. Okay. These are all unvoiced. So when we pronounce these two consonants, we don't use our voice. There is no vibration of voice cord. So like ka, 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 no vibration. Okay. In English, the similar sound is g, 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 and k. What is difference between English g and k? The difference is g is voiced and k unvoiced. So as you see, English g and Korean g is quite different. But as you also can hear that this sound quite similar. G and k, g, g, g. Why this similar is even though this is unvoiced in Korean language, so different, right? This g and this g different. But when in Korean language, when we pronounce consonant, we don't pronounce consonant alone. Okay, so when we pronounce, we need to put vowel here. So in Korean, every Korean syllable that must have one consonant and one vowel. So here, because there is no consonant, so we need help out. Because there is no vowel, we need to put one more vowel. So that vowel is effortless vowel, and we call them helping vowel. What is it? Sorry, it's right? So this one we pronounce g, okay, g. And in English, there are more voiced consonant and more unvoiced consonant. So some teachers, the Korean teachers said, oh, Korean g is like k. And some said Korean g is like g. So I will tell you the reason. So first, when the teacher said Korean g sounds like k, because he think, oh, this g is unvoiced. Korean consonants are all unvoiced. That's why this g and this g is the same. Later, this k we put the mark h. So kh is this one. Anyway, k is g. And also, some teachers said, oh, this Korean g is like English g. And as you hear, it's quite similar, right? The reason is because when you pronounce consonant, we put, as I said, we put helping consonant here, okay? Because g is quite weak consonant, even though this is unvoiced, because when we pronounce uh, the vowel, because we need our vocal cord, so this g sounds like the voiced consonant. Do you understand? So when you are very sensitive, when you are almost like the level of the linguist, you need to memorize this g is a k and this k is a kh. But if you are just a ordinary person, maybe I recommend you to memorize this g is like this g. English the and Korean the is quite similar, and b is b, and j is j quite similar. You can understand that way, like this. So I said, no problem. That's up to you. Okay. So if you are very sensitive, these letters sound like this one. Okay. But if you are not that sensitive, these letters sound like This one. Okay. Okay. Let's practice one by one. So adding one stroke, one more stroke to consonant makes it strong. This is g, g, the weak consonant. The stronger consonant, ka, as you see, ka, g, ka, g, ka. So when you put one more stroke, that is like h. Okay. Next one, this is da, and one more stroke, ta, da, da, ta, da, ta. How about this one? Ba, right? Ba, and one more stroke. Pa. Actually, this is not one more. Maybe two more. 네. Ba, pa, ba, pa. This is ja, cha, ja, cha. Okay. So as you see, the black part is one more stroke makes the consonant strong because this black part in English, this is H, right? H. So let's see one by one. When you pronounce these two letters, as you see, the shape of the tongue is the same. Ga, ka. The difference is only this one, right? One more stroke. So this one more stroke means H. Strong air comes out from your mouth like this, right? 네. So this is ga and ga, ka, ga, ka. Strong air, you see. Ga doesn't move. Ka, ka. As you see, that moves, right? Ga, ka. Oh, shoot. My family name, Kim, Kim. Which one is correct? Kim, 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 Kim. My name is the first one. Okay, so soft g, and strong g, ka, Kim, Kim. Same. As you see, the shape of the tongue is like this, right? So like this. Maybe I need to say, right? So the, t, t, same, right? But for t, strong air comes out from your mouth. T. One more, t, right? The, t. Dal. Dal means the moon or month or the moon. Tal. Tal means our mask. Mask is tal. Okay, so dal, tal, dal, tal. Different. Ba, pa. To pronounce this one, we use our mouth square. Do you remember? We use our mouth, right? Ba, pa. So what is difference? Aspiration or explosion. Pa, ba, ba, pa, ba, pa, ba, pa. Okay, ba, pa. 발, feet, our feet, 발. 팔, 팔. 발, 팔, 발, 팔. Okay, 발, 팔. Same. 저, when you pronounce 저, we use this part, right? 저, 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 right? So strong air. 저, 저. 자 means shall we? Let's. Oh no. 자 means ruler, and 차 car, 차. 자, 차. So as you see, the aspiration, strong air comes out from your mouth. That is different. Okay, first one, maybe I need to put kh, ka, ka, ph, pa, th, ta, chh, cha, ka, ta, pa, cha. So for consonant, when you put one more stroke, that makes the consonant strong. How about for the vowel? For the vowel, when you put one more stroke, that is y. Okay. So this is ya, ya. So ya, kya, pya, tya, cha. Okay, I will not do the rest part. Okay, let's memorize some vocabulary. Let's practice with vocabulary. Card. This is k, right? So k, a, ka, and the card. card in Korean, card. Actually, this is wrong. Why this is wrong? In Korean letters, there must be one consonant and one vowel. So here, because behind the there is no vowel, so we need helping vowel. What is helping vowel? U. So we put U here. Card, card. And this one, oh, the Eiffel Tower in Paris, the capital city of France is Paris, right? And on